Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can log in to Citibank's online banking. But before we learn to do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get updated whenever we upload a new video. So let's get started. So first go to your browser, you search in Google Citibank. So then you'll click on citi.com, which is the official website. And here, once the website loads, here you can see the option to sign on. So you will enter your user ID, whatever that is for you, and you enter your password over here, and then you'll click on sign on, and you'll be logged in to your online banking. Then you can go right ahead and start your banking. So, but if you have not yet registered for online banking, you will need to do that, which we have another video for. So please go check that out if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos, and don't forget to leave a like. Bye.